Have you already spent some time behind the wheel but still have a way to go before you ditch the L plates? Make the road ahead a little shorter with PassMeFast's 30-hour course. This course is designed for learners who've grasped the fundamentals of driving but still need more experience in the driver's seat. You'll spend your course hours building up your driving knowledge, helping you to become test ready in just weeks. This course is typically taken over 1 to 5 weeks and includes 29 hours of tuition with a local, experienced, DVSA approved instructor, a practical test, which we will book at a time, date and test centre to suit you. We'll even fast track your test, meaning it will take place weeks or even months ahead of normal waiting times. This means that you could get your licence in just weeks after booking. You can take this course at a fully intensive pace or have more space between lessons. Lessons fit around your schedule, with evening and weekend tuition available. We can even personalise the course to suit you, including adding a theory test. Just book online or by phone and we will do the hard work for you.